Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on and off the rotation lock on your phone. So for instance, if you want to watch a video in landscape mode, you can rotate your phone and it's going to rotate. I'm not going to really demonstrate it though because it's a screen recording and I don't know how it's going to affect the recording, but it's super simple and it works for every iPhone. Select the right side of your screen, drag it down to reach the control center. Here is the button that you want to select. You can you can press it to turn it off like this. Well, turn it on. The portrait orientation lock is on, I think. And you can just press it again to turn it off so that it will stay in this portrait mode. And that is pretty much it. Really, it is super simple. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.